What if I told you that one of the keys to attracting high-ticket clients was something super simple? I'm talking about your logo. Yes, in the grand scheme of things, your logo may seem like the tiniest detail in your business. And because of that, it's often treated as an afterthought. But stick around and I'll teach you why your logo is actually so important for landing those dream clients and what exactly goes into the perfect luxury logo design. I'm Moriah, the founder and creative director of Moriah Riona Branding, where my mission is to empower female coaches and consultants with luxury branding. On this channel, I teach you how to build your brand, your online authority, and your audience so you can cultivate a beautiful business and life. If you'd like to learn more about positioning your brand as a high-end leader in your industry, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, I'm sharing some powerful tips on creating your brand's luxury logo so you can start attracting high-end clients and making more money. So let's dive in. Tip number 1, luxury logo designs are recognizable. The goal is for your audience to recognize and identify your brand, even without seeing your business name. This kind of brand recognition is what will set you apart as a luxury brand leader in your market. And it all starts with quality logo design. Now, I want you to think of some of your favorite luxury brands. For me, Chanel and Louis Vuitton come to mind. What makes their products so special and recognizable? You've got it, it's the logo. Of course, these brands are known for their high quality products, but the logo is what quickly communicates to the audience that the product represents the elevated level of craftsmanship associated with the brand. You can increase your brand recognition and command premium pricing with a luxury brand logo. For Louis Vuitton, the logo is what enables the brand to charge premium pricing. If another brand was to sell an identical product but without the famous LV logo, there's no way anyone would pay thousands of dollars for it. However, because of those powerful little letters, Louis Vuitton is able to rake in anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 or more for each small handbag. Sounds pretty nice, right? Hit that like button down below if you'd like to start charging more for your offerings too. Clearly, Louis Vuitton has mastered the art of luxury branding. And if you want to hear more about their branding secrets, check out my video, Luxury Branding Tips, 4 Secrets from Louis Vuitton. Tip number 2, luxury logo designs are easily understood. Think about your own branding. Can your audience understand your logo immediately? The creative director at my first design job used to call it a quick read, meaning your logo should clearly and easily convey your brand. From a user experience perspective, you really don't want the viewer to have to work to understand your logo. Your audience shouldn't have to tilt their heads or break out a magnifying glass to grasp your brand and what it's about. Now, I'm not talking about hidden elements that you might find later. When it's done right, a hint of subtle cleverness can help make your logo more memorable, like the arrow in the FedEx logo. Do you see it? The ingenuity of this logo has earned the brand notable recognition. Clever elements aside, the quick read I'm referring to is of your logo as a whole. You'll need to ask yourself, is it legible? If so, you're on the right track. If you have to study or reread it to understand what's going on, go back to the drawing board. And while you're at the drawing board, you really want to keep this next tip in mind. Tip number 3. Luxury logo designs are part of a larger brand system. I always say that your logo is at the top of your visual brand hierarchy, but it doesn't stand alone. For maximum impact, your logo needs to be supported by a robust visual brand system that works together to tell the same brand story. What is a visual brand system? When I use the term visual brand system, I'm referring to something different from a brand story. It's the group of elements that collectively work together to contribute to your visual identity and communicate your value. This includes things like brand colors, brand fonts. Yes, even your fonts play a huge part in your branding. Brand aesthetic, website, graphics, brand photography, printed marketing materials, and more. Every single part of the system is essential for an effective overall visual identity that conveys luxury. If you don't take the time to fully develop your brand system, it'll show, and you won't be giving your audience any reason to pay premium prices for your services. As an entrepreneur who's passionate about empowering other female entrepreneurs, I don't want to see that happen. You deserve quality branding so that you can secure your position as the go-to leader in your niche, the one people are dying to work with. And that's why I developed my signature program, Luxury Brand Leader, so I could help women like you transform your business with an elevated, cohesive brand strategy. If you're ready to scale your income, get on the waitlist today. You can find the link in the description down below. Tip number 4. Luxury logo designs are high-end. Unfortunately, I see so many coaches and online entrepreneurs trying to build luxury brands with subpar logos and graphics. And trust me, I get it. As a solopreneur, you simply don't have a lot of time. But if you don't invest the time and attention necessary to design a logo that's high-end, your business will pay the price. Here's why. The quality of your logo will subconsciously communicate the high-end value of your brand. So if your visual brand system is lacking, you're communicating discounts and bargains, 2 things a luxury brand would never settle for. And you shouldn't either. Which brings us to the next tip. Tip number 5, luxury logo designs are not DIY. Okay, it's time for a little tough love. I am gonna be brutally honest. The very best you can expect from a DIY brand is DIY customers. When you're scrapping together your brand identity, you're showing your clients that you don't even think your brand is worth it. Not worth the time and not worth the money. But you and I both know that you are not just an expert, you're the expert. And you've got something incredible to offer your client. So instead of DIYing, invest in your brand like you want your clients to invest in you. Instill confidence in your clients by showing up as a leader who has it all together. It's time to start presenting your offering with clarity and commanding premium pricing for it. If you're with me, type "no more DIY" in the comments below. Now you're in on the secrets to attracting high-paying clients with luxury logo design, so you can charge more for your spectacular services. But would you like to learn more how to deliver a cohesive luxury brand experience for your clients once they book with you? I've got you covered with my free 10-page guide on how to create an irresistible luxury experience from start to finish. You'll learn how to elevate your personal brand and your clientele and earn those raving reviews. So grab your copy with the link below. By the way, if this is striking a chord with you, you'll also love this video, Luxury Branding, How to Build a High-End Brand. And for a steady stream of branding and entrepreneurship content, be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next video.